Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare latest Samsung Galaxy M20 and Galaxy M10. And find out the best one. Galaxy M20 has 6.3-inch screen, with 409 pixels per inches. While M10 has a smaller 6.2-inch screen, with only 270 pixels per inches. The M10 is 1.1 millimeters thicker than M20. Both smartphones have similar front, as well as, rear camera. The front camera is 8MP with a V notch. And the rear camera is dual 13 and 5MP setup. M20 is available in 4 and 3 GB RAM, with 32 and 64 GB storage options. While M20 is available in 3 and 2 GB RAM, with 16 and 32 GB storage options. And yes, do not worry, you can add up to 512 GB extra storage. Samsung Galaxy M20 has a higher chipset, Exynos 7904 with 1.8 Octa Core Processor. While M10 has Exynos 7870 chipset, with 1.6 Octa Core Processor. M20 has a huge battery setup, with 5000 mAh battery, while M10 also have a large 3400 mAh battery. With higher specs, M20 has a higher price, $170, while you can purchase M10 in $110. Both smartphones have a better screen protection, and they will operate under old Android Oreo. Both smartphones are compatible with dual SIM options along with SD card slot. However, both devices do not have any water and dust protection. You cannot use any of the smartphone to pay any kind of bills, as they do not support mobile payment. Both smartphones do not have wireless charging or fast charging options. For security, both devices are equipped with rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. However, no Face ID or face scan is available. Both devices are available in ocean blue and charcoal black color. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, both devices worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.